If you enter the studio and you find that the console is either offline or that the microphone preamplifiers are not responding, follow these steps. First, select the Audio MIDI Setup by choosing the MIDI Setup menu and select MIDI Studio. Go to the Window menu and select MIDI Show MIDI Window. And as you can see, the MIDI interface is grayed out. Make sure the device is switched on, the blue MIDI interface, then rescan MIDI devices. Next, we're going to set up the microphone preamplifiers in the peripheral setup menu. Select Mic Pre, choose the Unitor MIDI interface channel, port 1, channel 1, then select device 2, select port 1, channel 2 for the input and the output. Port 1, channel 2 for the second device. Port 1, channel 1 for the first device. Now select the Ethernet controllers to enable the D-command control surface. Click the Enable button and Ethernet port 1 will be scanned. The console is not connected to port 1, so then select port 2 and it will be scanned to discover the two modules of the D-command control surface. Once it's finished scanning, select the F unit for faders and the M unit for master, and you should be ready to go. Now, we should be able to see the microphone preamplifiers in the mix window view. Now you can see that they're not shown here at the moment, and that means that the microphone preamplifiers are not available in the I/O setup. So go to the I/O setup menu and select pre number 1, click channels 1 to 8 for number 1, channels 7 to 16, channels 9 to 16 for pre number 2. You're now ready to go. You can check that the display on the Grace preamplifier changes when you change the phantom power for one of the channels, and you can make sure that the faders control your Pro Tools session. That completes the video.